In the face of adversity, what drives you to push forward? Courage, experience, absolute trust in all that supports you. Meet the new generation of enterprise drones, the Matrice M30 Series. 16 times optical zoom camera, thermal camera, wide camera, and a laser rangefinder, the M30 is the new standard for hybrid payloads. Powered by DJI's latest flight controllers, image transmission, and image processing technology for next-level performance. 6-way sensing and positioning offers protection and ensures safe flight. A new generation of quad antenna image transmission ensures signal stability, even in complex environments. With its 200 times hybrid zoom camera, you can focus from afar and capture the precise shots you need. And its high-resolution thermal camera efficiently reveals heat sources. When night falls, the M30 is ready. Its low-light FPV camera sees your surroundings even in darkness, so you can work safely. And Smart Low-Light Photo captures clear pictures even at night. All of this power is still compact and portable. It fits in your backpack to go where you go, ready to unpack and deploy in seconds. Hot swap batteries to keep you flying, even under torrential rain, treacherous slopes, scorching heat, gale force winds, or freezing cold. The M30 is designed to endure. The new DJI RC Plus controller is designed for enterprise pilots. It's waterproof and resistant to extreme temperatures. With quad antenna video transmission, 4G, battery hot swapping, and 65-watt fast charging, you can power through until the work is done.